Jansen here from Ivey.forge and Homestead. So we had another branch fall in our yard. Alright, so I actually just went through and I had cut up some of the bigger stuff on this. I'd hit record on my phone and for whatever reason it didn't record. Weird. But anyway, yeah, I got some of the bigger stuff cut up. So right now it's just some of these little smaller branches I can basically break with my hands. Things with the leaves on it, I'll just put that off to the side. We throw that into the burn pile. We leave some of the bigger stuff more for when it gets a little cooler out. We can start burning some of that stuff. Or I can even go in there and grab stuff out of the wood pile for a woodworking project, possibly. Who knows? It's piling up. This is the third branch that's fallen into the house. But if you caught us on our live stream, hey, every Tuesday, 7 p.m., we do a live show. If we're able to, we are trying to do that every single week. There may or may not be some type of issue or whatnot with family that we are not able to do that. But as of right now, every Tuesday, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we're going live. And if you were there, you already know that tree's coming down. So the owner of the house next door, he actually came over to today as I'm recording this video, talked to the wife while I was at work, talked to Gladys, and they're taking down a tree. They already took another one down in front of the house, of our neighbor's house. It was rotten, it was bad as well, had a big hole in it. And it was just a liability, just like this tree's a liability, along with our neighbors to the back of them. They had a tree, same thing. There's only gonna be one more tree that's immediately the neighbors behind us, that tree's a liability as well, and hopefully we can get it taken down. So, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this up, get everything piled up, and then get out of this heat, because man, I just started and I'm already ringing. So, all right, let's go finish cleaning up. Okay, so there we go. I got a majority of that cleaned up. I just got a rake. So the biggest part of this that I'm gonna be glad is gone is the spiky ball. no more. So once this tree is gone, we get all these spiky balls raked up and get all this burnt and whatnot. We normally try to keep this for the weekend. Obviously it's hot. We're not out here around the fire to get heat. It's more just to burn the brush and get it going, get it off, keep the bugs cleared out of the yard. That definitely helps a lot. But other than that, we tried to do this more on the weekend, so once the sun goes down, we're able to get out here and enjoy it a little bit, right? So once this tree's gone, we do plan on having a project here in the corner. We were just kind of really reluctant of getting that done. You can see we still got to finish the fence. There is going to be a video coming out on that once we do get that completely finished. Okay, still working on the blacksmith shop. It is what it is. Other projects going on. Hopefully you checked out our laundry room renovation. If you haven't, check out that link up here. And it's a great budget build. We only spent like 50 bucks to do the whole thing. Okay, got the cabinets for free. It's awesome. Okay, so we definitely thank you guys for following along our journey. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. There's going to be some more great content coming out really soon. Give us that thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like it. Hey, you don't like it. Okay, you're not going to hurt our feelings if we post something that you don't like. It is what it is. All right, so once again, we definitely thank you for following along, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.